Welcome to our tutorial about editing your database in Form View. Let's start by adding a grid view control to our form. I'm simply going to drag and drop the newsletters table into a cell of my table. We'll enable selection as well as enable paging. Actually, I've only got 3 records in this table, so we'll be fine without the paging. Now let's modify the format using the auto format options. Let's choose black and blue. Click OK. And the data source is pre-selected for us. We're done here. Now let's expand the toolbox and we'll drag in a form view control from the data branch of the toolbox. We need to choose a data source, new data source, select database, SQL data source, OK, connection string, next. And here are the columns we need, newsletter ID and newsletter name, advanced. Let's enable both of these advanced options, generate insert, update, and delete statements, as well as the use optimistic concurrency option. Click OK. Now let's click Where. We'll choose the column newsletter ID. The operator equals. The source will be a control. The control ID, grid view 1. That's where the control is located. Let's summarize what we've done here. What'll happen here is that the record associated with the row where I click Select will be displayed in the form view. Let's click Add and then OK. And next, let's test our query. Enter a value, 1. It looks fine, so let's click Finish. Now let's change some of the formatting options using Auto Format. We'll choose black and blue and click OK. Let's also enable paging here. And we're pretty much done, so let's go ahead and test our application. Now, when I select an item from the table, its details appear below in Form View. Watch what happens when I change options, let's say, to stock trading. Click Update, and here we see stock trading, but up above we still see options. Why didn't the update happen above? Let's go figure that out. We actually don't need paging here. Let's disable that. Now let's go see how to fix that problem I just mentioned. We'll go to Code View to sort it out. Select Form View 1. And from the method, select Items Updated. Here we'll write Grid View 1 dot data bind. What this'll do, when we finish making changes and click Update, it'll refresh the grid view control. That was what we were missing before. Let's go ahead and test our application again. The page loads. Let's select Stock Trading. Click Edit. Now we'll modify the title like we did before. We'll change Stock to Options. Now when I click Update, the newsletter name has updated up above as well. And this concludes our tutorial about editing a database in Form View.